Hello everyone, my name's Dean. Let's talk crypto. Sorry for the late video today. I had a quite busy morning, but goodness gracious, there's so much to talk about. Look at what is going on right now. Like, what the fuck? Bitcoin is going out of its mind. It's literally right now just making a higher high. What does that mean? A higher high, if you create a high, if you close higher than your previous high, that is a reversal if you are in a downtrend. Do you guys understand that? That means that this ABC correction is now invalidated. That means that the one thing I mentioned, if you're subscribed to this channel, you will probably remember me saying there's a slight chance. I don't think it's a big chance, low probability, but there is a chance that the two-wave of the Elliott wave, sort of two-wave correction, can end on the 618, on the golden ratio at 37,804. Why? Because it's possible. It's done that before. And I mentioned in that video two other instances where Bitcoin had mid-year corrections. I think 2013 and 2000, what was it? 17, 18? Sorry, I forget. But anyway, after those mid-year corrections, we had sort of price accumulation, Wyckoff accumulation, just like we had in our case in that pattern. Here, let me just zoom out for the sake of this explanation really quickly. All right, we had this kind of Wyckoff accumulation going on, and I looked at those instances and I saw that the two wave for the Elliott wave only hit at sort of at 0.618. I think it reversed at, it reversed at the 0.382, but that it was possible to reverse at the 618. I think I saw it once before. I'm sorry, I'm not really recalling. I need to put this video out quickly as I have a few appointments. But in any case, it is possible that price action on a two-wave stop at the 618. So you have a really short two-wave. And I said in that video that that would only be if the coin or the project or whatever, the token, was super bullish. It had so much momentum. And I said, it's possible. Bitcoin does have a lot of momentum. However, it had gone up for 9 or 10 days straight without correcting. So I was like, 9, 10 days. I would give it about 5-6 days. I think it's coming down to the 382, at least the 0.5, right? The 0.5 is a classic reversal point. Guys, it hit the 618 and it turned the fuck around. It just, look at this wick. It wicked down to the 618, hitting the 21 daily moving average, which is typically the kind of line in the sand where when you're in a bull run, when you're in, you have bullish momentum, you're riding that EMA. And it's gone. Make your entries now. Whenever you're watching this video, make your entries now. It's gone. We're in the bull run. This is wave 3. And so this wave C stopped here. It ended here. Okay. So this is another reason why, TA is helpful. It gives you kind of, it gives you a groundwork. It gives you potential sort of outcomes, right? It's kind of probabilities, but it's not 100%. It's not a crystal ball. And sometimes you just don't know. I knew Bitcoin was bullish, but I didn't think it would stop on the 618 because it had gone up for 9, 10 days. Then now look at ETH. And Ethereum is even more bullish, if you can believe it. Ethereum had gone up for even more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 days, right? Except for one little thing, but you could say 11, 12 days, same thing. And then it followed that up with more. And now it is the day of EIP 1559, which is the Ethereum hard fork, the London hard fork rather, which is changing the tokenomics of Ethereum. Understand that anything you knew about Ethereum's price action, you can throw away. Throw away. It's a new, absolutely new project because the London hard fork essentially makes Ethereum a deflationary asset. Every time people use Ethereum to transact, some of that sort of gas is burned, meaning there's less and less Ethereum. It becomes more and more scarce. Economics 101, supply and demand, less supply, more demand, price action rises. So the price is going to pump. Yes, things need to correct. You need to have waves. Things can't go up indefinitely, right? And you had gotten all of this price action here in Ethereum with no pullback, or at least a very, very, very modest pullback. And let's see what that pullback was. So, that's our wave one, Elliott. Now, look, this is how bullish Ethereum is. We did not even hit the 618. We didn't even hit the 21 daily moving average. And it just kept going. And I thought, you know what? There's no way. I've never seen a coin do this. And I still think, here's what I think. And again, this is just my analysis. This is just my kind of my understanding, my thoughts on Ethereum. We're going to probably hit somewhere in the 3,000s. It can either be 3,000 or this target right here, 3,700. Why? Because we formed this W, which is a bullish pattern, and the measured move or the technical target of this pattern is the depth of the W from the breakout, which gives us that $3,700 target. 3,000 you get from this smaller pattern that you see on the hourly time frame. Yeah, you can see here. Do you see this W? You take the measured move of that right from the bottom of the W to the neckline, and that's how you get your 3,000. A lot of people were looking at that. It's gotta at some point correct. But let me tell you something. It's not going to correct much. This project, anything and everything you knew about it to make your price analyses, if you did do that, throw it out the window. It's a new token. This hard fork makes it new. And it's going to experience, I can tell you this for sure, 100%. It's going to experience a violent correction to the upside to adjust for these new tokenomics. So not financial advice. You want to long Ethereum? Obviously put your stop losses in, be smart, use proper risk management, but that is a really, really good bet. Just long the hell out of this token because of EIP 1559, because of what it's showing us, right? And I was of the belief that, yeah, that's great. You have this London hard fork. Theoretically, it's fine. A lot of these things happen in this way. You hear about it, people anticipate the change, and you see it in the charts. And then once it happens, you get a sell-off because people are like, okay, I'm going to sell or dump the bags on you. Buy the rumor, sell the news, they say. We kind of didn't really see that in EIP 1559. You're seeing literally once it went live, and you can check, there are different sites where you can see all the Ethereum that's being burned live. Literally once it happened, you saw the price start to go bananas. And it's just a regular, it's not like a news or like people's thoughts. It's the tokenomics. It's the fundamental sort of mathematics, the econometrics of the token that are creating the positive price action. So that's something to look out for. Another thing I want to say, because Bitcoin is super bullish, because Ethereum is super bullish, and because we have Bitcoin dominance falling. Look at this. Bitcoin dominance Bitcoin dominance, for those of you who don't know, it's basically just Bitcoin's entire portion or percentage of the entire crypto market cap. How much of the entire crypto market cap does Bitcoin constitute? The higher it is, the more influence Bitcoin has. The lower it is, the less influence. That's basically it. We just, have this double M top, which is a bullish pattern. The measured move of it is the top of the M, or from the neckline to the top, down from the breaking point, from the neckline rather, which would be here. So, Bitcoin dominance is going to plummet. Conversely, Ethereum dominance literally has an opposite W pattern that we just discussed. And you can calculate the measured move of that, but Ethereum dominance is going to 25%. Bitcoin dominance is plunging, and some of that market dominance is going to go to altcoins. What does that mean? That basically means that your favorite altcoin's not going to give a damn what Bitcoin is doing, if it wants to go up or down or correct or whatever. It's just going to go. So if there's some news about it, if it's undergoing its own kind of changes in terms of tokenomics or whatever, it's going to go. This is full-on bull run part 2, full-on altcoin season, full-on whatever you want. Things are about to get absolutely insane if they're not already. Look at this, green all around. 20% up for Veracity, right? 20%. That means it came to the party early and is probably leaving late. What else can I say? Things still have to correct, but they're pumping right now. So, long, be careful shorting anything in this market right now. Hopefully you have your stop losses set, because people are going to get wrecked. And obviously that's going to pump prices up as well, because, there's going to be a short squeeze on anybody thinking that these corrections were going to go longer than they're supposed to. This is it. That was the low. 36,300, what the hell was it? 37,432 was a low. I said it. Maybe we'll see it again in the bear market, but not in the next 4, 5, 6 months. I'll put my reputation on that. All right. I hope this was helpful. Just long stuff, buy and hold. Have fun. We're here. We're doing it. Some tokens, I'm looking at Shiba Inu, are going to react more slowly, and that's normal. That's just the normal life cycle of crypto, right? Some smaller projects, smaller market caps, but thing is, Shiba Inu doesn't have a small market cap, but just smaller tokens that people aren't as keen on putting their money in when there's risk in the air. Those are going to react more slowly, but when they start going, they'll start going as well. So if you want to make entries, these are the best tokens to make entries into right now. AMP, I already said, don't look at it. It's right now. If you look at the weekly time frame, it has major bearish divergence. So you don't want to mess with this right now. But obviously not financial advice. Do whatever you want. DOT is looking super bullish. Link is looking super bullish. So here, it's just my thoughts. All right. I hope this was helpful. I hope this was useful. If you want more content like this, definitely smash the like, subscribe, leave comments, let me know what you think. All right. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.